What is the life people yearn for? The sky, the clouds, the trees, the lake, the air is fresh and free. Green and health have always been the pursuit of people's hearts. Green is the symbol of life and the background of nature. However, since mankind entered the era of industrial civilization, it has not only created huge material wealth, but also accelerated the destruction of the Earth's ecology. Today, the global economy is in a stage of rapid development. In automobile, aviation, rail transit, electrical manufacturing, IT equipment, mechanical automation, and other industries, the demand for metal processing is growing rapidly. During the process of traditional production and manufacturing, metal processing industry produced a large number of pollutants. The simple, extensive and high energy consumption labor-intensive model also caused a great waste of resources and manpower. The full implementation of green manufacturing has become the main trend of green development of manufacturing industry. In order to promote the purpose of national sustainable development and advance the green manufacturing process of the metal finishing industry, SENFENG laser has always been at the forefront of the laser industry, adhering to the concept of green development, and adopts the green and intelligent dual drive mode, innovative research and development of green technology, production and manufacturing of products, and intelligent digital interconnection, with the goal of promoting green development in the whole life cycle of products. To promote the development of green products, build a green industry chain, drive the green restructuring and upgrading of traditional manufacturing industry, and facilitate the comprehensive green and low-carbon transformation of economy and society. SENFENG multi-point coordination and the explosion of green energy have added new momentum to the high-quality development of the manufacturing industry. Laser cutting takes the high-energy laser beam as the heat source to realize high-speed precision cutting, so that the utilization rate of every inch of metal materials can be brought into full play, and the process upgrading can reduce consumption and cost, which vividly explains the efficient and stable green processing. Full automatic bending has carried out in-depth exploration on high efficiency and low energy consumption, only 0.2 seconds per knife. The universal bending die enables high-tech molding at one time. Automatic batch processing without handheld operation not only saves labor, but also ensures the life safety of personnel and achieves the perfect combination of economic and human benefits. Laser welding is widely used in the manufacturing industry, which greatly reduces the smoke and exhaust emissions of traditional welding. Mechanical automation processing and optimization of complex welding processes have made remarkable achievements in the field of green intelligent manufacturing. Laser cladding prepares high-performance coatings in a metallurgical way, turning the rock into miracle to realize green manufacturing and ray manufacturing, and comprehensively promote resource conservation and recycling. One-click startup of high-end automatic intelligent equipment saves material and personnel costs, and realizes 24-hour efficient and continuous production. Automatic production line promotes the transformation and upgrading of manufacturing industry, setting off a new wave of green intelligent processing. New process and technology flow through SENFENG factory, showing one originality green wisdom after another. Behind SENFENG promotion of the metal processing industry and the realization of green manufacturing process is the defense and adherence of all employees to the concept of green environmental protection. On the road of green development, SENFENG people go hand in hand, overcome difficulties with professional dedication, to explore the path of green upgrading of the entire industrial chain, taking innovation as the first driving force. Research and development of laser core technology enables green and low-carbon transformation. People oriented to realize the green dream of global customers lead the global manufacturing industry and develop in the direction of high efficiency, energy saving, environmental protection, and intelligence. The rise of a new round of global scientific and technological revolution and industrial reform has formed a historic intersection with the transformation and upgrading of China's manufacturing industry. Facing the 14th Five-Year Plan, the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology will conscientiously implement the decisions and deployments of Central Committee of the Communist Party of China and the State Council. Closely follow the goal of carbon peaking and carbon neutrality. Accelerate the process of carbon peaking in the field of metal finishing. Deeply implement green manufacturing projects. Strengthen the supply of high-quality green equipment, and promote the development of manufacturing industry to the Industrial 4.0 era. SENFENG Green Manufacturing is leading the pace of the industry and continues to write the Chinese story of green manufacturing.